Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Cadillac Escalade versus BMW X5. We will explore their core differences to help you decide which luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Escalade is known for its expansive interior and bold American luxury, while the X5 emphasizes dynamic performance and refined European engineering. Understanding these distinctions is key to making an informed choice for your next vehicle. When it comes to performance, the Escalade often boasts a large engine, providing ample power for towing and highway cruising. Its ride is generally smooth and comfortable, designed for long journeys. The X5, however, focuses on a more athletic and connected driving experience. Its precise steering and sophisticated suspension make it feel nimble, even at higher speeds, appealing to those who enjoy a spirited drive. Inside, the Escalade offers a cavernous cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers, making it ideal for larger families or those needing significant space. Its interior is adorned with luxurious materials and cutting-edge technology, including a large curved display. The X5, while smaller, provides a meticulously crafted interior with high-quality finishes and an intuitive iDrive infotainment system, emphasizing driver-centric design and comfort. Choosing between the Escalade and X5 depends on your priorities. If you need maximum space, a commanding presence, and robust towing, the Escalade is likely your best bet. If you prefer a more agile, performance-oriented SUV with a luxurious and driver-focused cabin, the X5 will probably be more appealing. Both are excellent choices, offering distinct advantages. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.